Welcome to a transformational journey that will unlock the secrets to mastering the art of communication. In this captivating video, we're diving into the most mind-blowing strategies for starting conversations in different environments. Get ready to revolutionize the way you connect, whether it's sparking romance, conquering the corporate world, or networking like a pro. Imagine you're at a casual cafe, the aroma of coffee in the air. You spot someone intriguing and want to spark a conversation that leaves them intrigued. Start with an open-ended question that invites curiosity. Instead of the usual, "How's your day?" Go for the unexpected. "What's the most fascinating thing you've read recently?" Bam! You've ignited a dialogue that's bound to surprise and engage, but what about when you're navigating the professional realm, where every conversation could be a stepping stone to success? Acknowledgement is your secret weapon. Begin by recognizing their achievements or insights. Try this. Your analysis of the market trends was spot on in the meeting. I'd love to brainstorm further on that. Boom! You've established a connection that sets the stage for collaboration. Matters of the heart. How do you approach those intimate conversations that deepen your bond and strengthen your connection? Vulnerability is the key here. Open up with an I statement that expresses your feelings. Swap you never listened for. "I've been feeling a bit overwhelmed lately. Can we talk about how we can support each other better?" Watch as walls crumble and a deeper understanding blooms. Networking events. They're opportunities in disguise. But how can you stand out and create connections that last? Ask intriguing questions. So what inspired you to attend this event? I'm always curious to learn others' motivations. Suddenly, you're not just exchanging cards. You're exchanging insights, and you've set the stage for meaningful interactions. Conflict resolution, a true test of your communication finesse. How do you address tensions while maintaining harmony? Approach with empathy and solutions in mind. I've noticed some tension around project deadlines. How can we ensure a smoother workflow moving forward? You've transformed a potential clash into a collaborative strategy session. And there you have it, the mind-blowing strategies to revolutionize your conversations. From cafes to conference halls, living rooms to office spaces, every environment offers a canvas for connection. So go out there armed with these techniques and watch as you leave a trail of engaged minds and strengthened bonds in your wake. Remember, communication isn't just words. It's the bridge to understanding, the spark of relationships, and the catalyst for growth. Embrace these strategies and embark on a journey that will forever transform your interactions. And now I have a favor to ask. Please subscribe and share our videos. And those likes sure are nice too.